Righto, this week's all about money. How much, honestly, does it actually cost? Righto, costs a lot, bloody lot. But it's got to be different. It's all individual. Setup's different. So we've got a BT50 and a Jurgen's Caravan. So there's 60 grand and 60 grand. So about 120 for a setup. Then you've got fuel, accommodation, groceries, things you buy, bills you have to pay, phone, mobile bills, activities, tourist attractions, all that sort of stuff. So it depends on how many kilometers you want to travel, how much fuel you use, how much food you eat, how many attractions you do. There's so many variables as to how much it's going to cost. We've done 2 years of travel now, and we've done all sorts of things, right? And we still, no matter what we do, it seems to average out at around the $1,000 per week mark. So that's a lot of money. And we know a lot of other families that do blogs and keep budget stats and all that. They can do it for a lot less, but I'm not sure they experience all the same stuff as we do. We're trying to portray and trying to experience the once in a lifetime 12-month lap of Oz, where you save enough money that you can travel as many Ks as you want, do as many trips as you want, do all the tourist activities, not miss everything, stay in all the great locations, and you can get home after 12 months and go, sick, that was the best time of our life, we didn't miss anything. You don't feel like you've left out anything and need to do it all again. So anyway, that's it. $1,000 a week. It's a great figure to work off. Cheers.